If your Windows is being a little overprotective, unlock your application with these tips. Now when you experience this error, the first step is to restart your computer. Now a simple reboot can often do the trick and allow you to run a previously blocked application. If restarting your computer does not work, the next step is to run a full antivirus scan on your system. You can do that by opening Windows Security, choose Scan Options, click on Full Scan, and then click Scan to start the scanning process. Now some programs also require administrative privileges to function properly. So all you have to do is right-click on the application and click Run as an administrator. Lastly, disable Smart Screens filter. All you have to do is search for Windows Security, select App and Browser Control, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings, toggle off potentially unwanted app blocking, Smart Screen for Microsoft Store apps, and this will stop the system from blocking apps, but you should also be careful with any programs you download. And once you do it, close the Windows Security app and try running the application again. So that's how you can fix the following Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.